Welcome to the video demonstration of Attendance Management module in the Schoolbag application. The Management module here consists of various management functionalities that covers a large section of any institution administrative tasks. Having Schoolbag in your institution will not only save lots of manpower, paper usage and quality time, but also raises the productivity of office staff available. Let us see how the Attendance Management module functions in the Schoolbag application. The Attendance Management module is designed to handle the attendance requirements of any educational institutions of all sizes from small to large organizations. With this module, student and staff attendance becomes very easy to capture and maintain. Reports about absent students or those reporting late can be generated, and even a notification can be sent to their parents with the help of email and SMS facility. It can also be used to view attendance reports of the students and staff in the institution. There are 4 sub-modules available: Assign Student Attendance, View Student Attendance, Assign Staff Attendance, and View Staff Attendance. Let us discuss the functionality of each sub-module. The first submodule is Assign Student Attendance. Student attendance can be assigned and marked using 2 modes, period-wise or day-wise. Here, attendance marking is according to day-wise. The setting can be changed to period-wise accordingly by the administrator by selecting Settings option available in the Administration menu. To assign attendance, select the date, grade and team. A list of those grade students is displayed. Here, the first radio button represents all present, the second all absent, and the third button all leave. You can also mark the student individually by selecting the radio buttons besides that student entry. Click the Save option to save the attendance marking of the selected class and section. There is an Edit option available to modify the attendance sheet just marked. The second submodule is View Student Attendance. You can view the attendance of a single student by using Admission Number option or group of students belonging to a grade and team using grade and team-wise option between any dates. Let us see the attendance of just assigned student. The students with their attendance details are displayed. The next submodule is Assign Staff Attendance. The marking of staff attendance is very easier. By default, the staff attendance type is day-wise. The administrator or the concerned staff can change the settings to period-wise accordingly. The date and name of the staff is selected and then attendance is marked for that staff. After assigning the attendance, save the attendance by clicking the Save button. You can edit the attendance sheet just marked by selecting the Edit option available here. The last submodule is View Staff Attendance. You can view the staff attendance by using this submodule. After selecting the date and the staff name, the staff attendance sheet for the selected date is displayed. We also provide reports corresponding to the attendance module. Student attendance report of any institution between the specified dates is generated by using the search options available, whether you want the student attendance or staff attendance report and the mode of attendance, that is, day-wise or period-wise. The student attendance report can be viewed by using 2 options, admission number-wise or grade and team-wise. The admission number-wise option will display a single student attendance details, whereas the grade and team-wise shows the attendance of all the students. Similarly, you can view the staff attendance report by selecting the date and the staff name from the list box. This is how Attendance Management module works in the Schoolbag application. Students and staff have profile-based access to the module. While students and parents can view only the concerned student's own attendance, staff have access to their entire grade attendance. If there are any other constraints specific to your institution requirements, we will be glad to make our software fully customized as per your needs. Thank you. For further information and request of demo, please mail us at info@schoolbag.com.